I'm near the base of the Arenal Volcano right now, which is an active volcano and has a very powerful fire energy, which is the energy that is required to manifest your reality quickly and powerfully. Just like gravity, in our reality in the universe, there is laws. Same way, hola. Same way, there are laws about manifestation. 1 + 1 = 2, and energy in equals desired reality out. Therefore, anything that you want to manifest in your life, any state or any reality, any intention, whether you want to be rich, whether you want financial abundance, whether you want to be fulfilled, happy, whole, what determines whether that manifests or not is purely a law of you expressing the energy required to bring forth the desired manifestation. Therefore, if you can connect with the sun energy center in you, with your life force, with your fire element, and you can channel that through to action, you will manifest your desired reality. It's only a matter of time. But the reason why most people don't manifest what they want is because they have conflicting energies